So guys, for the first step, you want to get to this screen. Now to get to this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As the computer's turning on again, it's going to be showing the Windows loading screen. So when you see this, now you want to turn off your computer again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it'll take you into this screen. So again, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. When you see the Windows loading screen, turn it off again and then turn it on again. Repeat this 3 times, which will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options. And now we're going to be here. And now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. And now for the first method, you want to click on system restore. If you do not see system restore, you want to click on serial recovery options and then you want to choose system restore. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, if you do have a restore point that's been enabled, you just want to click on next and then go back to your restore point and then that should fix your problem. If you do not have a restore point, that's fine. We're just going to click on cancel. And now for the second method, you're going to click on troubleshoot and then advanced options and then start up repair. It's going to diagnose your PC, see if this fixes your problem. If that did not work, you're going to click on advanced options, troubleshoot, and then advanced options again. And now for the third method, you're going to click on uninstall updates. And now you're going to uninstall the latest feature update. Click on this. And then click on uninstall feature update. See if that works for you. If that did not work, you're going to click on close. Now for the next method, you're going to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Now once you're on this, you're going to type in C:, click on enter. Now you're going to type in cd space /windows /system32 /config, click on enter. And now you're going to type in md space backup, click on enter. And now you're going to type in copy space ** space backup, click on enter. And now you're going to type in cd space regback, click on enter. And now you're going to type in copy space ** space .. click on enter. For me, I got an error right now because I don't have this problem, but in your case it should be working. And now you're going to type in A and then click on enter again. Again, I got an error, but in your case it should be working. And now once you do that, you're going to close this out and then click on continue to Windows, see if that fixes your problem. If that did not work, for the fifth method, you're going to click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC. You have 2 options. You could either keep your files or you could remove everything. There's a description for both of these right here. It's up to you what you want to go with. And yeah, just go with any one and then reset your computer.